Hey guys, we got this Ford Escape 2015 and the rear tires are wearing out unevenly, and once we jack it up there's a ton of play. The problem right now that we have is this rear lateral control arm. Okay, so this guy will run you around 30 some bucks or so, and in the local stores, or cheaper of course online. So we're gonna change that, and that should solve our problem. So that's the problem. So to remove it, you got a 15 bolt right here. At the back you're gonna have a Torx. At the back you're gonna have a Torx head with a 18 millimeter nut. So take those two off and you should be golden. So there it is, zero movement at all. So this problem is fixed, and we're on to the next one. All right guys, see you on the next one.